Good day, Ma'am Gal. I'm Sean Harvey L. Gonzalez from BSCPA2B. And this is my reason for taking this course. This is the course I took because since I was in elementary school, this is what I thought of taking, or this is my dream job. Also because of the ones I used to play when I was a child, like Dota, Counter-Strike, or any other game that can be played on computer. I also want to make a game for other children to play when I remember. And this is one of the reasons why I took this course. And this is also the course that one of my uncles is taking, and he was my inspiration to take this course and for him to guide me. I also took this course to become the first engineer in my family. And that's it, ma'am. Thank you.